afternoon, everyone. My name is Randy Samurai Ortiz. Our topic for today is what rise of fake news refers to spread of false information about rice, particularly 20 per kilo rice inactivate of the Philippines. Malacanang has warned the public about fake news. Middles spreading disinformation about the quality of rice being sold at 20 per kilo, is some claiming it's pang hayop or animal feed. The government has ensured the public that the rice being sold at a good quality, and it's the same variety sold in the market at 33 per kilo. The National Food Authority, NFA, has also conducted investigation and found the samples of the rice were genuine. The combat of fake news that checking organization and initiatives that emerged promoting media literacy and critical thinking skills to help individual discern reliable information that false pursuit holds. So that's all.